How to fix TikTok guest request not working. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Play Store on your device. In the Play Store, search TikTok and make sure your TikTok is updated to the latest version. Sometimes not updating the app may cause some issue. Another thing what you can do is open TikTok and go to your profile. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then at the bottom, click on Settings and Privacy. After that, click on Account at the top. In Account, click on Account Information. If you find any option for TikTok guest request, make sure you turn on in here. After you do that, or if you don't find the option, you can go back to the settings. In the settings, scroll down at the bottom and click on Report a Problem. After you click on Report a Problem, you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, scroll down at the bottom and click on Chat with Us. After you click on Chat with Us, chat box will open. In here, you can simply type in TikTok guest request not working. TikTok will get back to you and solve your problem from here as well. This is how to fix TikTok guest request not working. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.